Hello, my name is Alberto Marquez and I will be your instructor this semester in your Engineering Economics course. During this course you will learn about the time value of money, interest rates, and the application of compounded interest formulas for the evaluation of engineering projects from the economical perspective. Also, you will learn about economics at large, that is, the essentials of macro and microeconomics. More specifically, you will learn about the relationships between supply and demand, their relation with marginal costs and marginal utilities, and how those create dynamic equilibrium of the markets. In this video, I will present the most important aspects of the logistics of this course, including how to contact me, how to keep track of your work and grades, and how to create a sense of community with this group. I will also describe briefly the learning activities that you will have to do and how those activities will contribute to your grade. I will show you some of the tools that we will use for delivering this class as well. For those of you that do not know me, I wanted to introduce myself by this means, and well, now you know who I am. My phone number, if you want to contact me, is 409-880-8809, and I am located in the second floor of the Cherry Engineering Building on room 2203. This is the syllabus of the course. You can download the syllabus from the Blackboard system. And let me start with my contact information. I already mentioned my phone number and location. And my email is alberto.marquez@lamar.edu. However, for purposes of this course, I would prefer you to contact me through the email that is part of the Blackboard system. We will use two textbooks. One is a digital book that is free, and the other is a regular book. We will use Principles of Engineering Economic Analysis for 2 out of 3 parts of the semester. We will have reading assignments and problems to be solved from this book, so I encourage you to acquire it. The other book, you can download it from the internet. As the semester progresses and based on the needs of the course, I will post handouts for you. These handouts will include MS PowerPoint presentations, formulas, tables, and other relevant material. The important dates are February 20, the last day to drop or withdraw without academic penalty, April 2nd, last day to drop or withdraw with the academic penalty, and May 15 is the date for the final test. This final test will probably change, but it will announce with enough time during the semester. You will have homework assignments that will consist of several problems to be solved. Most of these problems will be automatically graded by the Blackboard system. The purpose of this problem is for you to practice the concepts that were covered during the course and prepare you for the tests. You will have the benefit of the computer recording your best score on each assignment, and you will have unlimited number of attempts for these assignments. Also, you will have several opportunities to learn how to solve these problems using Microsoft Excel. These Excel practice assignments will be turned in exclusively as PDF files. Much care should be taken for the formatting of the legibility and the legibility of the document. As part of the policies for the assignments, all PDF files must be exactly 1 page only, and it should be formatted for completeness and accuracy. Regarding your test, there will be 3 tests during the semester, 2 over the course of the semester on the 5th and the 11th week, and 1 final comprehensive test. The total weight of all the tests is 60%, with 15% of each of the first 2 partial tests and 30% on the final test. There is a final project that will consist of on the financial evaluation of a company based on financial ratios. This project is 15% of your grade, and it contains 3 deliverables: a technical report, an executive summary, and a presentation. This project will be worked in teams of 2 to 3 students. The student teams will be decided by the students. Instructions for this project will be released later during the semester. Microsoft Excel activities are worth 50% of your grade, and Blackboard assignments mentioned before are 10% of your grade. Grades will be assigned as a function of points, with 100% being the largest possible amount. Letter grade will be assigned for 90 or better, B for 80 to 90, C for 70 to 80, D for 60 to 70. Since this is an online course, your attendance is not required. However, I will monitor your progress regularly. There will be due dates for all the activities to make sure you will make continuous work during the semester towards the completion of the course. Should you have special needs with respect to this course, please let me know early in the semester to accommodate your need to the best of my possibilities. Regarding academic dishonesty, I take very serious any problem with academic dishonesty. Avoid at all costs sharing your Excel assignments, results on Blackboard assignments with the purpose of save the other person the effort to solve the homework. I encourage the communication in study groups, but please do not infringe the academic policies of the university. Cheating in any form during the test will grant a letter grade F as your final grade, regardless on which test the academic dishonesty occurred. We will work with the 5th edition of the textbook, and all references to pages and sections on the course will be referring to such edition. Some students may have access to previous editions, and I have created an equivalence table for the students to find the most relevant content from one edition to the other. However, the problems are not the same, the layout of the book is not the same, so it is impossible to make a simple relation on where and how the information will be on one edition to the other. We will have weekly sessions, and I am reserving every Tuesday of the semester to be available online using a system called Adobe Connect. It is a web-based one-to-many delivery system that will allow me to use my camera, my computer, and a special writing device for us to solve problems or questions you might have regarding this course. The attendance to these sessions is not mandatory, but it will help you to understand better. Your question will enrich the course for everyone, since the sessions will be recorded and will be available to be seen later in the course. The main delivery system for the course will be Blackboard. On this system, we will coordinate your weekly activities, we will post files for you to keep, you will submit your assignments, and will be a media depository for these videos. While Blackboard has chat boards that you can use and facilitate meeting sessions with whiteboards for writing, the preferred tool for online synchronous sessions will be Adobe Connect. To access Blackboard, use LU Online link at the top of the main Lamar University webpage. Click on Blackboard Login and access your account using your Lamar user and password. Once in the system, you can enter into the course. The course will be structured in weekly activities. To find these activities, select the Content option in the course menu. There are a few additional folders, including a folder with the introduction. This introductory folder contains the instructions and guidelines that you will require for your success in this course. Additionally, you will find a folder with the handouts that will be used across several weeks, and a special folder that will contain the tests that you will present for the 5th and 11th weeks, and the final test. So please keep in touch. Make sure that you're making steady progress towards the learning activities um, during this semester, and express any concerns that you might have as early as possible. I'm glad to have you as my student, and that's it for now. Thank you.